Video walkthrough of a first floor 1.5 bedroom apartment in Brookline. Beautiful updates, nice hardwood floors throughout. Directly to the right of the entrance is your bathroom with double vanity, sinks, cabinets, shelves, standing shower tub combo, and we have your toilet right there. So all your essentials and then some. And we have a nice spacious living room, which you've already seen right here. Directly to the right is the bedroom. All right, some more hardwood floors, some nice big windows overlooking the courtyard. All right, and a sliding door closet, good space. All right, we got some mirrors right there. It's back here. Okay, we got central air throughout in case you missed it. Closet right across from the living room. Good sized closet, coat closet with a rack up top. The den or half bedroom over here. Still a decent enough sized bedroom. You have a window, decent sunlight, and you have a closet. Sliding glass doors, sliding mirrored doors, I should say. You got your rack up top. And into the hallway, which takes us to the kitchen. All right, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher. We have a sink right there, fridge, good sized fridge, more counter space, open range gas stove, built-in microwave cabinets up top, more cabinets up top, some shelves, more cabinets below, good sized fridge right there. And last but not least, your in-unit laundry, which is always great. Okay, that concludes our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.